My name is Luke Churkin, CEO and founder of Landscape SEO, and we service the green industry. So before starting with Seven Figure, we were about 20 to 30K MRR, servicing anybody and everybody that was willing to pay us money. A lot of local clients, very generalist marketing agency. We serviced anybody in the service space, whether it was white collar or blue collar. And then since getting into Seven Figures, we've niched down into the lawn and landscape space. We're currently at 40K MRR in the niche. Prior to joining Seven Figures, the way we would gain clients was networking, referrals, nothing super consistent. And after joining Seven Figures, we were able to dial in our marketing processes, create a brand within the niche, and really bring consistent results in our own marketing. The main challenges we faced prior to joining Seven Figure Agency was delivering consistent results for many different niches and consistently gaining new clients on a regular basis. The biggest thing that's changed since working with Seven Figure is we have predictable results because of the way that we have structured our service offering and the marketing to our niche. The biggest thing that we've changed since joining are that we've actually taken our own advice and we've run through our own marketing and promoting and running our own ads and just doing all the things that Seven Figure promotes. The biggest impact that Seven Figures had is new relationships, a community of people that understand what I'm going through, that are all working for and towards a similar goal. And the impact that it's had on me personally is a community that you know that you can call on when you're looking for something and you're looking for an answer. Like, there's so many givers in this community that are willing to take a second and help you with whatever you're facing. In the next 6 to 12 months, we'll be over Seven Figures. We're on track right now to do Seven Figures by early part of next spring. And the sky's the limit, where we want to do eight figures. The most valuable component of Seven Figure Agency, of all the things that they offer, is the key relationships that you're going to pull out of this group. The few people that you're going to be able to call, and at any moment they're going to have an answer for you, or at least be able to pick up the phone and you're going to be able to ask them for help or guidance in a specific thing. If you're thinking about joining Seven Figure Agency, just do it. It's the easiest money you're going to spend. The value is worth way more than the price. And if you're looking for a community that's going to back you, support you, and give, this is the place for you.